Sort function is a new dynamic array function added to Excel in 2020. It can allow us to sort a list in an order. For example, let's enter the function equal sort. The first input, array, let's just select the whole table, comma. For the sort index, it can be either the first column or the second column. So let's suppose that we are going to sort based on the name. So manually enter 1. It means the first column, comma. For the sort order, it can be 1 ascending or -1 to reverse it. In our case, let's use 1 ascending. And then the last optional input, we can choose true, sort by column, or false, sort by row. So in our case, let's choose false. Hit enter. So now the original table has been converted or sorted under names in the alphabetical order from A to V. Alright, so now let's go back to this equation. Say we would like to sort the table using the second column as the index. So we choose 2. For the order ascending, so it is from lowest to highest, but I would like to show the table from the highest to the lowest. So we're going to use -1, means descending. Still false. So hit enter. Now this table shows the new data from the highest score to the lowest score. So next time, try to use sort function to deal with the data and check them in an order.